students, how are you? I hope all are good. Today let me start units GK unit 6 language and literature chapter number 45 language word search. A poem or speech usually at the beginning of a play which introduces the contents. It is prologue. This is okay. Question number 2. A figure of speech that combines contradictory terms. It is oxymoron. This one. Oxymoron. Okay. Next question. Question number 3. Use of the same sound or letter at the beginning of words that are close together in a paras or sentences. It is alliteration. Alliteration. Okay, got it? Next, question number 4. The rules of grammar. The rules of grammar that describe the way words and phrases are put together to form sentences in a language. It is syntax. Next question. Question number 5. Language that create pictures in the minds of people reading or listening. ये है allegory. Allegory. This one. Next question. Question number 6. Use of exaggerated language to stress upon the importance of something. Use of exaggerated language to stress upon the importance of something. It is hyperbole. It is hyperbole. Okay. Next question. Question number 7. Short text of honor on a gravestone. So it is epitaph. Let me search this one. Epitaph. Epitaph. Okay. Next question. Question number 8. A piece of writing that uses humor to bring out faults in a person, an institution, or some idea. ये है satire. Answer is satire. Okay, got it? Next one. Number 9. A figure of speech in which one thing is described in terms of another. It is simile. हम ये आंसर यहीं पे मेंशन कर देते हैं. ठीक है? आंसर इज SIMILE. ओके, क्योंकि इसमें है नहीं है बॉक्स में. So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 46. Chills and thrills. Thriller is a genre of literature, film and television programming that uses suspense, tension and excitement as its main elements. So pick the correct options. Let me start. Captain Arthur Hastings is a friend of Hercule Poirot. Perry Mason's secretary is Della Street. In which lane Flaming novel does James Bond first appear? Number 3 is A. Casino Royale. He is a dealer in curious and antique jewelry and own a shop in Nancy Drews. So number 4 answer is B. Sam Weatherby. Question number B. Identify these famous writers of thrillers and mysteries and their popular creations. Question number 1. He created the series of adventures about brothers cum detectives titled The Hardy Boys. Edward Straight Mayer. Edward Straight Mayer. 2. He is a defense attorney in the detective fiction authored by Earle Stanley Gardner. He was also part of a popular radio series and was featured in several movies. ये है Perry Mason. Number 3. The famous Bond series was authored by which famous writer? ये है Robert Ludlum. 4. Created by Sir Arthur Conan Doyle, this famous detective operated from his apartment. Our study in Scarlet is among the most famous stories in which he appears. Sherlock Holmes. So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now, let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 47. Full form and short form. Fill in the blanks in this quiz on the full forms and abbreviations of some well-known international organization. Number 1, Environmental Protection Agency, EPA. It is EPA. Number 2, Association of Southeast Asian Nations, ASE. Association of Southeast, Southeast, ASEAN. ASEAN. Amnesty International, AI. Four, FEMA, FEMA. Federal Emergency Management Agency. Federal Emergency Management and the last word is agency. Five, ISO, International Organization ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को हम शॉर्ट में लिख देते हैं, ठीक है। इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है ये ऑन फॉर स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन। इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन फॉर स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन फॉर standardization. 6, World Copyright Treaty. It is WCT. Missile Technology Control Regime. It is MTCR. UNDP. It is United Nations Development Program. United Nations UN. Program. Nine. ICJ. It is International Court of Justice. Number 10. DPKO. So it is Dependent of Peacekeeping Operation. Dependent operation. Tick right the correct option. Okay. FAO, Food and Agriculture Organization. GDP, Gross Domestic Product. MNC, Multinational Corporation. So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 48. Guess the word. From time to time, new words and phrases that comes to be widely used in our every day. Okay, communication are included in the English dictionary. Hidden in the grid on the next page are some words or phrases. Read the clues and guess them. Circle the words on the grid and fill them in the boxes beneath the clues. One has been done for you. One who used technology with great ease. It is tech savvy. Number 2. A brief but refreshing sleep during the work day that provides energy to work longer and more efficiently. It is power nap. A fit of anger by the driver of an automobile, especially towards another motorist or pedestrian, often resulting in quarrel or violence. It is road rage. ROADRAGE. Number 4. A motto or a principle that is supposed to guide one's action. Mantra. MANTRA. A humorous phrases to describe the ordinary postal system in comparison to electronic mail. So this is snail mail. A blog that contains video material vlog. 7. A person who tends to worry habitually and often needlessly. Worry what? A computer controlled by a hacker without the owner's knowledge, which is made to send large quantities of data to a website, making it inaccessible to others. So what is this? This is zombie. An important feature of a tool or gadget ensuring that it can be used with ease. User friendly. A feeling of having experienced something before while experiencing it for the first time. It is deja vu. A incarnation in human form, or a computer user's a representation of the self. So this is avatar. Relating to or concerned with rules or the complete system rather than parts. So ये है holistic. A large movie theater complex with several separate screen multiplex. A person who stays at home and takes care of the house and family, homemaker. Okay, everyone. So these boxes are filled by you. Okay, so do it yourself at home or school. So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 14. Quiz session. Question number 1. Which collection of stories includes tales like Cinderella and Little Red Riding Hood? So option is C. Grimm's Fairy Tales. Question number 2. In which book did the character Mowgli appear? The Jungle Book. Who wrote the famous play Romeo and Juliet? William Shakespeare. What is the term used for a play that is intended to make the audience laugh? Comedy. What do you call a word that sounds the same as another word but has a different meaning and spelling? So 5 is D, homophone. 6. Who wrote the famous book To Kill a Mockingbird? So option is B, Harper Lee. What does the expression spill the beans mean? Question number 7. Telling a secret. Question number 8. Which famous collection of stories include the Tales of Sindbad, Two Sailor and Aladdin and the Magic Lamp? Answer is B, Arabian Nights. Our national song Vande Mataram was first featured in a book called Ananda Math. Who wrote it? Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. In which book did the character Harry Potter attain Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry? Number 10 is C, Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. So everyone, all chapters of this units are completed here. Okay. So I hope you all very well enjoyed this. So we will meet you the next class. Thank you.